Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you how to make the Nigerian Ukwuobi cow leg. I am not an expert on this. I just discovered how to make it today, so I decided to share with you guys. So here are the ingredients I'll be using. Here I have my potash, also known as the native salt. Here I have my salt. I have red palm oil. I have my mangi cube. I think that's basically all for Ukwuobi. Here is the cow leg I'll be using. I've parboiled it for about 2 hours. That's why you see the bones are falling off, and I'm going to make very little because this is a trial. I'm the only one that is going to eat it. So let's start. Get a pot and put on fire. Pour in some amount of red oil, not too much, because as you can see I'm making very little quantity. So let the oil heat up. Now melt your potash, the native salt, in water like this, and pour into your lightly hot oil. Stir thoroughly until you see a foamy consistency, just like this. Now add in your other ingredients. I'm adding in a pinch of salt because the native salt is salty already. I'm adding half stock cube. As you can see, I'm making very little. No need to add the full stock cube. Stir together. And now we'll add in a bit of grinded pepper. I want it a bit spicy. You can decide not to add. If you have crayfish, you can also add crayfish if you want. So now I'm just going to add in the boiled cow leg. So stir together and cover to cook for another 5 minutes. So this is it after about 5 minutes. It is ready. This recipe is very simple to make. Guys, it might not look perfect to you all, but it was very tasty. So this is the outcome of my Ukwuobi. I'm just going to design it with some sliced onion, and I'm supposed to design it with ukazi leaf too, but you know, living in diaspora you hardly get ukazi, so I am using spinach as an alternative to design it. As a first timer, I guess I didn't do so bad. So we've come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this recipe helpful. If you do, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.